just don't do it by life.
Give me your phone. I'm deleting it. What? You can't be serious. Are you serious? Huh? Are you filming me?
No.
Oh, well then what's this? What's that if it's not filming me?
It's Facebook Live. You're live on Facebook right now.
I've got you too.
Me too.
Me too.
Our next stop is Norbridge, if anyone's interested. Anyone watching, I mean. And if there are any police in the area, that would be lovely.
We're leaving the train.